Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Samsung cover water tank part #DA97-20587A. The Samsung cover water tank part #DA97-20587A is a replacement part for select Samsung refrigerators. It is the cover for the water tank, which is used to store and dispense cold water from the refrigerator. The cover helps to keep the water tank clean and free of debris. It also helps to prevent any accidental spills or leaks from occurring. The cover is made of durable plastic and is designed to fit securely over the water tank. It is easy to install and can be removed for cleaning or replacement if necessary. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement water tank for Samsung refrigerators. It is used to replace a damaged or leaking water tank and can help fix symptoms such as leaking water, low water pressure, and poor ice production. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the water supply to the refrigerator. 2. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 3. Remove the screws that secure the cover water tank to the back of the refrigerator. 4. Pull out the old cover water tank and discard it. 5. Insert the new cover water tank into place and secure it with screws. 6. Plug in the refrigerator and turn on the water supply to it. 7. Test for leaks by running water through all of its components, including ice maker and water dispenser, if applicable. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.